This is a 2010 Ford Explorer. It has a 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Sirius satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a power driver's seat, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Premier Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2120 Highway 45 North in Columbus.